All right. It's October 20th, I think. So this is going to be a Halloween colors. Yeah, why not? Anyway, this is going to be a flip and drag. This is a do-over on a crummy canvas. I put a little white border down. I'm going to flip and drag. So let's start with this one. And I'm going to put my borders down in case I, yeah, in case I flip it on the chair. Okay, here we go. I think I'll start here. Put one here. Yeah. Okay. There's one. Ooh. There's two. Three didn't do very good, did it? Okay, let's put a little drag in here. Ooh. Now I made these paints a little runnier than normal. So let's see what that means. And let's get some tipping going here. You know what I want to do first though? And I was going to just squirt some of this in the cups. This is the lacing, white Amsterdam lacing mixed with stuff in it. And I'm just going to drizzle some across it and see what happens. These paints are kind of intermingling and getting to know each other. Most everything I used was Modern Masters metallic, except for the turquoise and the two oranges. All right, I don't know what that's going to do. Here we go, tipping and a slipping. Let's bring it back. How about this way? You know what I'm going to do also? What I'm going to do? I'm going to get some border bumpers. So hold on here, because I don't want to lose too much of it yet. You remember the border bumpers? Sure you do. Try to keep it off my hands. Okay, there's one. I'll bring it back this way. Not too fast. And then bring her back to the center. All right. How about we come this way? Whoa, easy, Jasper. Okay, here we go. It's slippery, folks. Here we go. There we are. Nope, still not. I don't gotta get it for. Oh, there we are. Okay. Let's bring it around and do my top left, your bottom right. I think that's how it goes. Yeah. Now I guess we need to get it down to the corners. course, you know, one way I could do that to give it some more personality is wipe my hands off first. Let's look at that for a second. Curiouser and curiouser. You know what I might do? I can do it with a little mini blower. If I don't like it, I'll just tip it out, right? Let's try this. Well, first of all, let me put some more white along the border here because it's not rolling over. You know, every time you do, at least for me anyway, every time I do a painting, it's always, oh, let me try something different today. And I may never do the, well, I have done some of the same things twice, like the waves, things of that nature, but I kind of mix it up and try to do different effects with it. So anyway, okay, let's see what we got here, okay? Kind of fun, isn't it? I'm going back to my stone lapidaries, and it has a look of some kind of sliced stone, not a thunder egg, but I don't know, that's kind of Halloweeny, isn't it? Christmassy, or not Christmassy, but October. Yeah. Okay, let's let that sit. Oh, yeah, I didn't torch it with butane. Let's see what happens when I do that. Got some bubbles there. Well, I'll be darned. The colors are definitely October. And a little bit of turquoise for a balance of something else. And I threw this red in at the last minute thinking I'd throw another color in there. And I did. So let's let that sit up for a few minutes and see what it turns into. And I don't know, I may manipulate it a little bit more, but I don't know. Let's leave it. I'll be back. Hold on. Hey, I fiddle a little bit more with the blower. How about I do a little pencil work number 2 and see what I can come up with here. I sharpened this pencil the other day, and it's too darn sharp. Huh. This is ones I wanted to do right here. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do, was that little guy there. Maybe that one. And I don't see anything else that I... Oh. Okay, I'll let that set and come back after a cup of coffee and see what it looks like. What do you say? It's got potential. Yeah. Anyway, I'll be back. Stand by and we'll do a little wrap up. All right, here we go. I think I quit. I don't think I can do anything more to it. If I do, I'll take a final photo. Anyway, here you go, October. Yeah, different colors as usual, but it's got some personality to it. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see some of the shenanigans taking place with the paint. Interesting. I love what these acrylics do. You never know how they're going to interact and play with each other. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'll probably keep this one. It's different. Anyway, this is Richard B. saying, hey, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it and have a happy Halloween. All for now. Well, guess what? I wasn't done. I was going to put a little bit of white lacing right there to add a little bit of balance, and my cap was off and I didn't know it, and kerplunk, I got a wad of white there. So I made the best of a booger, a mistake, and I wiggled it around and I made a white starfish flower, or whatever you want to call it, and balanced it out. And we'll see what it looks like when it dries, but it was a do-over anyway, so who cares? Anyway, I wasn't planning that, but hey, maybe it had just as what it needed. Who knows? We'll see when it dries. Anyway, this is Richard saying you're never done till you're done. Talk to you later.